Before starting the video, I have little request to my viewers that hit the bell icon and thumbs up like button if you like this video. According to our information, cell network, Vodafone UK and Three has begun sending the March EMUI protection replace for Huawei P30 devices. This replace can also be expanding to other mobile operators. Huawei P30 and P30 Pro receiving the March 2020 security update with EMUI version 10.0.0.190 and software package size of 152 megabytes. The March 2020 EMUI security update includes Google security patches, fixing 2 critical and 20 high levels of common vulnerabilities and exposures. Open your settings and go to System and Update section. If update already came there, then simply update it. If you using HiCare app, then open it and look for Service tab. You would find Update section. Simply update it from there.